So I recognize that a lot of people who do energy modeling probably don't use the Energy Plus engine by itself. They usually use some sort of they use some sort of interface to use engines like Energy Plus. And there are various other engines out there besides Energy Plus as well. So I want to cover a couple pretty popular simulation tools or platforms that people in the industry use, and give you an understanding that also you can use your Python programming skills in these environments as well to basically pre and post process data into the systems. So the first tool I'll look at is explore is from a company called IESVE or IES, and the tool itself is IESVE, and it is a massive. It's a big company that a lot of people use their software to do performance simulation of buildings. So one of the if you go to the link that's in this video, you can see that they actually have a page devoted to Python scripting, and it's basically telling you about the ways that you can use Python to automate things. You can customize scripts, automate data import, define workflows, share things, convey outputs, create content, improve quality assurance. There's videos and there's a content store. And then also they even provide services. So they have Python programmers that are within IES that help with this. So this is really interesting. This is something that you'll see in a lot of tools. Like I even showed the Revit Python shell is also an example of this. So learning how to code also gives you access to the sort of what I call the guts of these engines that allow you to automate things. The other software that I'll focus on is Designbuilder. Designbuilder is it has an engine in the background that is actually Energy Plus, and in this case, they're also developing tools. You can actually use the EMS scripting software. You can use C#, and then very soon you can use Python scripting within the same context. So it's a similar situation where you have a tool that you love using or your company uses, and you want to figure out how to automate certain things. You can use Python to do that, and that's becoming really popular for companies to allow that to happen.